Have you ever wondered how people in the top 1% actually got there? How did they do it? We have the same 24 hours, same brains, yet their lives are different. Why? The answer is simple. It is their lifestyle. Now, they chose to live their life differently, and that is the only thing that makes them different from the rest of us. So if you want to be in the top 1%, then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Priya and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can transform our life, especially our lifestyle, before it is Jan 1st, 2024. So I'm going to talk about Project 50, a challenge which you can do to transform your life before the new year. So this is something I came across sometime in the past few months, and it was all over social media for a long time, but I didn't come across it because I don't have any other social media platforms. So I recently discovered this. And what best time to start a challenge than when you're trying to reset your life for the new year. So feel free to join in with me on this challenge. The rules are simple. There are 7 rules to this challenge, but the general rule is if you fail even one day, you have to start again at day 1. So that is the hardest thing. So make sure you don't miss a day. So rule number 1 is to wake up before 8 a.m. every single day. So this is something I struggle with. I can never wake up before 8 consistently. I do wake up sometimes, but even though I want to do it every day, I fail to. So I'm hoping to make this a part of my morning routine through this challenge. Do you struggle waking up before 8 like me? Sometimes when you wake up before 8, you find that you don't have anything else to do, so you go back to sleep. That is why there is rule number 2. And rule number 2 is to do your morning routine for an hour without any distractions. No phones and no music. So morning routine is like, I didn't have a morning routine which is like proper one for a long time. And I didn't have it for this much duration. Even if I had it, like I usually wake up, go ahead and brush my teeth, make some breakfast, shower and get to work. So it's a time to form a routine that will actually make some sense. The rule is to do the morning routine without any distractions, no phones, no music, no podcasts, nothing. So do this 1 hour morning routine religiously every day for the next 50 days, and it will last for a lifetime. So start planning now. What are you going to include in your 1 hour morning routine? And rule number 3 is to exercise for 1 hour daily. Yeah, so it can be anything. You don't have to straight away go and join the gym right away, but you can try yoga, dance, running, walking, anything. And anything which suits your fitness level at this particular time for 1 hour every day. I always plan to run, but I end up walking in the end. So maybe this time I'm going to do it for real. So start planning your 1 hour exercise routine today. And rule number 4 is to read 10 pages every day. Reading is something which will open up your mind, which will help you with your concentration levels, and it will also make you knowledgeable and wise. But let's face it, we all have books lying around the house, but we are too busy to read them. I started reading consistently from the past 2 years, and it has changed the way I spend my time. I do want to read more. Start reading 10 pages every day and take up this challenge. Rule number 5 is to dedicate 1 hour towards a new skill. The purpose of learning is growth, and our minds, unlike our bodies, can continue growing as we continue to live. This is a quote by Mortimer Adler. When we stop learning, that is when we stop growing and evolving as a person. To become something and to be in the top 1%, you should never stop learning. So start with something you long wanted to do but had no time to, or thought that you had no time for. Make time for it in these 50 days. Pick something which you love, which you enjoy, and which you're passionate about. Rule number 6 is to follow a healthy diet. Now, this doesn't have to be extreme, but eating healthy is going to change your physical health and mental health too. So choose foods which will help you with that. So I tend to eat a lot of refined foods every day, and I want to get rid of that and in fact have a balance in what I eat. getting all the nutrients I need while enjoying my food. So make yourself a healthy diet chart to list out what you're going to exclude from your diet and what you're going to include. And rule number 7 is to track your progress in a journal. The positive and negative effects of the challenge, your feelings, your improvement, and track your progress using this journal. So this is the 50-day challenge that is supposed to transform your life and my life too. So I'm starting this challenge this week and hoping to transform my life before the new year. So I let you in on the progress every week through a short video or through a long video. So this is episode number 2 of resetting your life before Jan 2024. So I hope this video gave you some idea about how you can change your lifestyle. Although we have always thought about changing our lifestyle, doing something different with our routines, this time I want you to consider it seriously and take up this challenge and try it for 50 days and see how it works for you. If you did like this video, I'm guessing you will like this video right here, and I'll see you in another interesting and helpful video. Until then, take care.